Taiwan's most infamous murder case has finally come to an end. In the final verdict, the three men known as the Hsichih trio were found not guilty on Friday, following 21 years on and off of death row and in and out of prison. The court felt there was no proof that the men were involved in a grisly murder that took place in Taipei County in 1991.
After 2 decades in courts and prison, Chien-ho, Yeh-Ying-lan, and Lin-hsun showed little joy when they received a binding innocent verdict.
I truly want to thank each person. The road has been tragic, but I believe not a single person is willing to accept injustice, nor do I believe that a single judge is willing to make an improper judgment.
In 1991, Wu Minhan and his wife, Yeh Ying-lan, were killed, and the following year, Wang Wenxiao was executed for the crime. But first, Wang named his brother and others as accomplices, allegedly under torture, and Wang's brother implicated the Hsichih trio. The brother also claimed to have been tortured. From there, the trio was subjected to years of trials and imprisonment. The men were sentenced to death 5 times, twice exonerated. Now the High Court has finally found them innocent, after determining there was only 1 knife and 1 killer.
We never found bloody clothes, the fruit knife, or the machete. When trying to corroborate testimony from witness Wang Wenxiao, the police never found bloody clothes or fingerprints of the defendants at the scene. They also never found hair or other biological traces. There was simply not evidence to convince the court that the defendants committed this crime.
The brother of one of the victims is unable to accept the new verdict.
This verdict is an example of human rights defiling the legal system and justice. Human rights kill the legal system and justice.
Despite the controversy, the Speedy Trial Act prevents appeals in cases more than 6 years old that have been remanded 3 times or more by the Supreme Court. It appears that after 21 years, the Hsichih trio is finally no longer in limbo.